I study organizational dynamics, how organizations organize people to get work done. So I use network modeling and simulation techniques to predict possible futures for organizations based on their existing structure. My name is Geoffrey Morgan. I'm a doctoral student and I'm finishing up my 5th year. Before I started the graduate program, I was an artificial intelligence engineer in Ann Arbor, Michigan, and I got really interested in organizational dynamics because the robots I was building didn't really understand how to be in a team and what being in a team meant. My general area is organizational behavior, organizational structure. I use network representations and computational models to understand and evaluate both how the organization is now and how the organization may be in the future based on taking different actions or different events might occur. So I worked on a project involving nuclear deterrence, and policymakers were interested in understanding the secondary, tertiary, and even quaternary consequences of the actions they may take they wanted to use computational models to understand those consequences. So we interviewed subject matter experts and used those interviews to create network representations, and then took those network representations and put them in computational models to generate these possible futures, and it really helped out the stakeholders, and it was really interesting. And I thought it was a good example of how societal computing, we go everywhere, we talk to people, but we also model people and we think about policy. I think it'll help my career goals because I'm hoping with this organizational dynamics focus to actually become a professor, I hope, at business school somewhere and teach computational methods to budding MBAs and see how that goes. So my 2 favorite classes were Kathleen Carley's simulations class, which gave me a much broader perspective on simulations in general. I thought I knew a lot about simulations, but this gave me a much broader perspective. The other class I really enjoyed was Jim Herbsled's empirical methods class, which taught me and gave me some tools for how to establish causality when we can't use the standard experimental method because we can't run experiments on people in the real world. When I leave here, I'm hoping to build a toolkit that will help people in the business environment understand computational models. I love being a student in the societal computing program here at CMU because we focus on real problems real people face every day.